gorgeous, and welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays, everyone. It's your girl Miss Tootie. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining, and if you are a new subscriber, thank you for coming and welcome to the Gorgeous Gang. So for today's tutorial, it's pretty festive since it is around the holidays, so I did want to do a look, you know, before the holidays. Well, the holidays already passed, but it's still holiday season, so I still wanted to do a look before the holidays actually ended. So as you can see, we got some green and red going on, and we have some rhinestones. So if you are interested in seeing how I completed this look, you already know what to do. Pick up a brush and keep on watching. Hey y'all, thank you so much for joining with me. So as you can see, I did prep my eyes, everything off camera. I prepped my eyes with the Louise base in the room of 4. So now I'm just taking a setting powder and set the top of my brow because I don't really want to take the color all the way up. So when I do put my colors up, it'll blend in, so I don't have to take it all the way up to my brow bone, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go in with the matte book from the Crayon case, and I'm just taking the red and green, and I'm just really going to pack that on. So of course I'm going to do the green first and then the red, and I'm just going to apply that above my crease area. Once I have applied my colors in my crease, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M506, and I'm going to take a little bit more color and just blend out the edges because of course we don't want harsh lines. So I'm going to take a green and blend out the green, and then the red to blend out the rest. And y'all, I really started getting not confused, but one eye was actually looking different because I did do my other eye off camera, so I was just like, uh-oh. So I tried to make them look as simple or similar as possible because I did something different with this eye that I didn't do with the other eye. So I thought I messed up, which I kind of did, but I still tried to, you know, pull it through to make it look good. Alright, so here I'm just taking my micellar water by Garnier and a Q-tip, and I'm just going to clean off the color on my lid because I've learned when doing a cut crease and also watching other tutorials that with certain colors, when you're doing a cut crease, if it's still some on your lid, it's actually going to blend into the base, and we don't want that. We want like a clean base with no color blending into it. So I'm just going to take that and clean that off, and then I'm going to cut my crease off camera just because it was very tedious. And I'm going to take the Vault palette from Jaclyn Hill. I think this color is like So Please or Please Me or something like that, and I'm going to take just a regular flat brush and apply that on top of my lid area. so now I'm going to go ahead and take these crystals or rhinestones, and I'm just going to apply them like on the first half of my crease. So I'll be using the Duo Lash Glue for my base, and then I'll just be taking a wax pen and apply that on my, apply the rhinestones with it. Now, y'all, I just want to throw in that if I'm starting to look upset or not interested, y'all, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning, and like as it got towards the ending of the video, I actually started getting really sleepy. So excuse me for that, y'all. I was like tired as heck. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that and we'll go to the next step soon. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner, and this is the Wet n Wild eyeliner, of course in black, and I will just apply this to my liking. So I did have to go in and fix the other side because one liner was going out and the other one was going like out and up, so I did have to correct that. Alright, so for lashes, I'm going in with the Naughty York collection 25mm lashes, and these are in the style Fenty. Yeah, these are Fenty. I couldn't think of it last night, but yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and pop those on. And of course, I always use my Duo Lash adhesive in the clear. Ta-da! So as you can see, my foundation was done off camera because I do have a foundation routine, an updated one. Actually, I recorded that, so I will leave that in the description box below. So to complete my eyes, but moving on to my lower lash, I'm just going to go ahead and take the same colors I used at the top, the red and the green, and that same Morphe M506 to apply that on my lash line. Moving right along to set the skin, this is the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is the 16-hour wear. I'm going to go ahead and spray that all over to remove the powdery look, and I do go in with my powder brush and tap the excess of the setting spray in, and that gives more that makes my foundation looks more softer, and it gives it like a Photoshop finish. So that's a little hack, y'all. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my fake little moles with my Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I'm going to keep it real simple for the lips because that's what I like. This is the Kiss Professional Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Sherbet Pink, And I'm going to top that off with a clear gloss. This is a 24K gloss by Nika K Cosmetics. And after this is the completed look. Alright, so as you can see, this is the completed look. This is how it came out. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it was simple because it was pretty tedious, but you see it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you edit, go ahead and click that notification bell so you can know when I upload. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you in the next video.